Hi again, everybody. It's Wayne. Hey, I'm out on the pond today, and I want to show you this. I'm going to spin the camera around. You want to see the product, not me. This really nice rod holder. You can set it out, spin it to do whatever you want, and it's got a cam lock on it. So I really like it. It was sent to me to check out in a 2-pack, and I just mounted this one on here, and we're liking it so far. It's setting down my my luge rod in it, and I'm going to tie on a chatterbait, and we're going to catch some fish. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm out in the barn, got the boat put up. I wanted to show you a better look at this. I was on the boat showing it yesterday, and I just couldn't operate it with holding the camera and with one hand. So I wanted to give you a better look at it. First of all, got a knuckle catch there. And tighten it up, and right here, loosen it up and turn it that way, spin it around. But I want to show you this. You can set your rod down in it. Got me a rod here. Tighten that up. Okay, so that's all set there. It's not going to go anywhere. And it's got this quick release deal here that closes over it. And it's also got another way to, and it's got another way to latch it up. It's got this bead on the rubber band or something. I don't know what you call them, but that'll come around and that'll hold that dude solid. Even if this is open, it ain't going nowhere, right? So those are the different things that you can do with it. Let's get this out of the way. And I liked having it on the boat when I was fishing yesterday. I had it facing the other way. And I'm sitting up here on my seat, and I just slip my rod down in there and get the fish off the hook, which I had to do a few times, and put another lure on. It's handy for that, and you control with it if you want to. It's plenty strong for that. So it's a nice unit. Like I said, it's a 2-pack, and I think you'll like having it. I know I do. It was really handy. So thanks a lot. Bye now.